Hello, my brother and sister in Christ. Today we just find out Mike Pence as the U.S. president and Kamala Harris is vice president. Even though this election is very ridiculous and definitely fraudulent election, okay, I think they just put it on the state. What I told you already about my theory and what I did some research. Of course, many people also thought the same thing, even a little bit different scenario. Okay, so today is no bomb explosion, no false flags like we thought all along, and many people too, other than me, because we suspect because so many military troops, yeah, at first 30,000, but I heard last time 50,000 troops. Whether the number is true or not, and plus 10,000 police, whether the number is true or not, but it's still a lot, okay? More than the one military troops in Afghanistan and Iraq. So that's why a lot of people think or believe the bomb explosion of false flags, or the other the one who from the rumors from QAnon. I don't believe that QAnon group is true. These are just made up the group by CIA to cause a confusion and distraction. Okay, even though they are more for Trump supporters. Okay, so about that, what they expected that on the inauguration day will happen, the arrest for this politician, yeah, the criminal politician like Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, Nancy Pelosi, etc. But they spread the rumors, okay? That's why there are a lot of military troops all around the Washington D.C., capital city, where the inauguration take place. But this not happen. What I suspect also, that will not happen because the one evidence Trump already promised to catch or capture Hillary Clinton and lock her up in jail, but never happened since beginning. His promise, during his campaign and for 4 years he was a president, never happened. This is just the trick from New Order Global Elite using him as their puppets. Same thing Joe Biden, they're all puppets. No matter who become president, all the same. America is still under God's judgment. To me, it doesn't matter because I want to spread this news and my in my video and my theory, what I collect together from dreams and visions and the news and the other what this is alternative news, not just a mainstream media, because a lot of people very curious and enjoy to make the video, and I just want to put together what the conclusion, what I think. But my conclusion is not accurate, so wrong, and what not we think along. But I believe this Christian who got the dreams and vision from the Lord, it says no Biden, no Trump in that integration day. So what was all about? And the other, I show you. The other dreams and vision mention, like this. The one, you can see, prophetic word Biden doesn't want, and the other from Pastor Patrick Winfrey, vision and dream. He got a dream about Biden back up and back down and not interested to become president. And the other one, Joe Biden is a turtle. Joe Biden, his head remain the same and his body shrunk, become a turtle body, gold turtle, like gold turtle. The other, and the other one, so the other vision. That means that golden turtle, the whale who trapped Biden body inside that. So it's meaning his move still under the new order. The same thing like Trump, yeah. He doesn't have the freedom. So the reason why, that what I heard from Steve from a fake news network
Regards
earlier, it is
inauguration
before,
day here and who will be the next president of
hold
the
on, let me
United
see.
States.
Before I continue on, yeah, I think, yeah, for what he said, okay, and I would like to explain you why the reason many troops all around Washington D.C. and the Capitol building, even until 50,000, what I heard last time, it doesn't matter the number, that a lot, like go to war, okay, and the military equipment over there. The reason, what I heard the information from him, because Trump already signed it, the martial law, couple months ago for the Washington D.C. So Washington D.C. already under martial law, okay? So in the reality, you understand to make more sense, okay? If not under martial law, Washington D.C., they don't need to put a lot of troops and police, 10,000 police and troops between 30,000 to 50,000 in the Washington D.C. They don't need to put that like that many, okay? Like go to war, and even including they send the government send the troops all over the nation in its capital building, okay? During this inauguration day, this is to give the hint there will be martial law in the country, and martial law is in the reality the country already under martial law. Just people do not know about that. Okay, the paper already signed it by Trump, including the executive orders. Trump signed it. About insurrection acts is possibility also. Now Trump know that because he said, okay, and one interview and maybe a few. I show you already the video in my other videos about the calm before the storm. That's what Trump said. Okay, and you will find out yourself what kind of storm that he's talking about. So yeah, so this what happened, okay, what he said, Steve, in his fake news network channel video, Biden will refuse to become a president, but he thought before he gets sworn in, but in the reality it not happen. He already sworn it today, okay? So Biden will refuse to become a president because the health problem. But the new order global elites behind him do not accept it. So they arrest him, but they don't say in the news or on mainstream media. No, they arrest him behind the public, behind that closed door. That's what I heard. It's possibility right for that, because you hear the source from somebody, okay? But I heard also, like I told you already yesterday, about global elites who have the plan want to destroy Washington DC. But I thought will happen there during inauguration day with that military troops, so many of them, and equipment there. But it's not happen today, so I made mistake for that. Besides, I thought my conclusion from many dreams and vision mentioned no election, no Biden, no Trump, and the other Trump not interested with to become president. But very obvious, not happen today. Okay, could be happen a few days from now. We have to see first, or could be a week or a month later. We just don't know yet. So we have to see about that. Let me
But
show
there
you about what
again,
he
this
said
is the
in
really
his
weird thing
video.
about all this.
But there again, this
Um,
is the really weird
nothing,
thing about all
even if
this.
there were arrests to be done, nothing
Nothing,
will ever be
even if
done
there
on
were
national
arrests to be
television.
done, nothing will ever
Uh,
be done on national
it would
television.
all be
See
done
about
secretly.
Biden
It would all
This
be
is
done
why, to me, this
secretly.
is like a
because
huge
you're not
psyop.
interested.
I
This is why,
swear
to
it's
me, this
nothing but a
is like a
psyop.
huge
In
psyop.
reality, it
I
doesn't
swear
matter who
it's nothing but
becomes
a psyop.
president.
In reality, it doesn't
There's
matter
no
who
good
becomes
end
president.
for believers.
There's
No good end at all.
end for
Um,
believers. No good end at all.
Does it buy us a little bit more time? Maybe.
Does it buy
But
us
in
a little bit
reality,
more time?
I mean, look at some of the things
Maybe.
Adam Green has brought
But in
out
reality,
recently.
I mean,
This,
look at some of the
this
things
bill
Adam
that
Green
was
has brought
passed
out
recently, the president signed for
This
COVID.
bill that was passed
Hidden
recently,
inside
the
of that
president
bill
signed for COVID,
was a
hidden
streaming
inside of that bill
violation.
was a
that
streaming
If you speak about anything streaming while you're streaming live that goes against their laws, like the anti-Semitic laws that he's passed and stuff, $30,000 fine or 10 years in prison. Think about these things. So it doesn't make a difference which way it goes. The end game is still New World Order, One World Government, whatever you want to call it, and tyranny for the believers here. At any rate, let me go into some other issues about this. So,
let me go into some other issues
Again,
about this. So
they say that the plan is he's going to back out and he's going to
say
say
that
it
the
on
plan is
medical
he's going
conditions.
to back
I asked,
out
what about
and he's
then
gonna say it on medical
Kamala
conditions.
Harris?
I asked, what about then Kamala Harris? What,
Okay, back out. Okay, what he here is going to back out, but not happen. He already gets sworn and Kamala Harris dead. Okay, what happened with all this scenario? That's very confusing, and a lot of Christian, bashing and attacking those other Christian who um, prophesied Trump will serve for the second term, even for 4 years. I don't believe Trump will serve for 4 years because we're already living in end times. The time is very, very close to the near to the end. Okay, so I don't think if Trump there in the office, no longer than 2 years. Okay, like I told you. So how about this? Joe Biden already sworn in as a U.S. president, but how about this dream and vision? Are they wrong? No, I do not. Like I told you before, this rapture dream and vision said will happen in 2020, but not happen. Could be the other reason. Okay, could be they saw that 2020, but not tell about the rapture, so they get wrong interpretation. 2020 is the end. Okay, the normal thing, because in 2021 is about New World Order Agenda 21, already in under New World Order Agenda 21 for preparing the beast system, the Antichrist, to come. Okay, the devil is preparing. Okay, that is correct. Nothing wrong with 2020 because God Himself told me, but He not say the rapture take place in 2020, but He told me 2020 is the revelation, like Revelation, book of Revelation, absolutely tribulation. He not said 7 years tribulation. Tribulation and 7 years tribulation is not the same thing. 7 years tribulation, God's judgment for mankind, the one who get left behind from the rapture, or is about the day of the Lord, or God's wrath, or Jacob trouble for Israelis. So yeah, that the one. So it doesn't matter by the end, like Steve said earlier, who become the president in the office, because of what we are as a believer, we waiting for our King of Kings, Jesus Christ, the Lord. It's not the human being in the world or even in the United States, because all these politicians are criminals and liars. Okay, it doesn't matter Trump or Joe Biden; they are all in the same coin, in the same position, the New World Order puppets. Okay, and I would like to apologize also what my conclusion is wrong. I thought something bad happened today, bomb explosion, because there's so many troops there, it's kind of doesn't make any sense. Between 30,000 to 50,000 and the police 10,000 and plus the military equipment there, and they have the way they put that fence backward, the racer fence, what was it, fence racer thing, like circle thing, barbels wire, yeah, for trap people inside rather than to prevent people from outside to go in. That's very strange, the whole thing. So many people's conclusion and the other conspiracy theory. Many conspiracy theory are true. Okay, so I told you. So I cannot blame these people who claim are prophets or Christian who got prophecy. Biden not interested to become president, and Biden back out. Yeah, like Steve heard from the one source, Biden will back out, and the other, Pastor Patrick Winfrey said Biden is not interested to become a president, and the Spirit Move Ministry said Biden doesn't want to do that. Okay, and the other, this not clear. This depend on what we interpret her dream from Reboot 70, because he saw Biden in his bodies become like turtle body, gold body with gold color, and Biden's head this remain the same instead of turtle head. So something about that. Okay, so Biden could be still in the trap all around the world. The people who control him, the elite, global elite, the very wealthy people who control everything. Because, the US president is not elected by Americans. They are all selected by New World Order global elites. Okay? So, doesn't mean they're all false prophets, these Christian who prophesy Trump will serve second term. What I see is, I don't think Trump will serve for 4 years, okay? He might still behind that. Maybe something happened with Joe Biden, or could be like Steve said, Joe Biden will under arrest because finally he give up. He just do not want to do anything to become a president, even though he already gets sworn today. Okay, even though he already gets sworn today to become U.S. president, but he may be back out or back down, do not want to because the health reason, and finally they will arrest him. But without the knowledge of the public or behind that scene, okay, no news in the mainstream media about that, could be, or yeah, like in the secret. So could be still that happen. So this just today. But the good thing, I'm glad. No destruction, no explosion, no false flags during that inauguration day. What happened, like I explained you already, that many troops, 30 to 50,000 troops and police is there, 10,000 police, because Washington DC is already under martial law. Okay, or maybe these global elites cancel it to make their false flags, because so many people already suspicious about that. So they don't do that. It's possibility also other scenario. Or to discredit these prophets or Christian who prophesied about that. About the election. No Biden, no Trump, but finally Obama. Or like I explained about in my video, other video could be the explosion of false flags from this global elite want to destroy Washington DC and move it to the Denver. What I heard about that, Denver, Colorado, but not happen. What I thought like that could be they just want to give the tricks to us about the, so to make appear we are all wrong. Okay, this is just the trap, the sly or sneaky thing what devil Satan do to us, because a lot of people already suspect and know about that. And the other thing, about this. So since so many people already suspect what will happen, even that predictive programming, that Simpson cartoon, something bad happened on January 20th, but nothing happened today. No explosion, no false flags, something like that, no bomb explosion, nothing happened. But in the reality, the country already under martial law. Or I have the conclusion I would like to tell you. Why they put a lot of troops, like a go to war, even 50,000 troops and 10,000 police is there and military tanks, but they don't use it. And also in the Washington DC, I'm talking about that, and the other Capitol building in the 50 states. This is just for uh, symbol, okay, symbolize the once Biden already, during Biden sworn as U.S. president on this inauguration day today, the country is under martial law. Okay, the country is under martial law already. I told you already. Trump already signed a lot of papers about martial laws, executive order, and act. Okay, he already signed. He know because he already told in one interview the calm before the storms. He know what's going, and he said you will find out. So that one already something. He knows everything of what behind it with global elites planning. Okay, so this meaning the country today on January 21st, January 20th, legally the same time with Joe Biden's inauguration day and gets sworn as a president, legally the country is under martial law. Even now appear, look like normal, but legally in the paper is already under martial law. Okay, that's what I see. So I'm glad no explosion there in the White House and around that area. No innocent people get killed during inauguration day. No false flags or something kind of war. I'm glad. But thing in the Simpsons cartoon, that inauguration, right on inauguration day, January 20th, said there will be war, stuff like that, and country get destroyed, something like that. That just the symbolize, okay, from today, January 20th, what will happen in the future, okay? But in reality, legally, United States already under martial law. With the FEMA under United Nations. That's why I heard the rumors, okay, that Chinese troops already around their ship, not too far from United States, okay, the troops, because the troop the United Nations sent the Chinese troop to start if something happened in the country, like civil war or revolutionist war, they're going to invade the United States in the near future. So if I realize not happen today, just seem look like normal. Joe Biden sworn in as U.S. president, okay, but legally, with that troops all around the countries, the 50 states, and especially more troops in Washington D.C. for symbol, okay, their symbolize the country is under martial law already, but seem look like normal, but in the paper they're already legal. Trump already signed it, okay. So what happened in the future? Biden still continue to become president all the time until several years? I got a bad feeling. I don't think so. But Trump still behind it. But this is what I see, God's mind, our thought, is much higher than our thought, even though he give the dreams and vision appear like that. But we misinterpret their dreams and vision what God told us. Okay, so we have to see, even though Joe Biden won today as a U.S. president, it's not finished yet. It's not until maybe a week later, a month later, or several months. We have to see first what will happen, whether he's a back down or back out from to become a president or not, to continue on, even though he already gets sworn today, to continue on to finish his duties or not. Okay, so don't worry, don't worry who become president in United States, because by the end they're all new world orders puppets. Okay, they're all criminals. Do not trust any man. Okay, and what thing, United States already under God's judgment. This is not the game. Okay, so do not attack those who prophesied. See, like Biden is not interested to become president. Trump will serve another term, because this is not final yet. Okay, we have to wait and see. All right. Thank you for listening.